Welcome to Daily Life Gadgets World. Here we bring versatile utensils, smart items, creative ideas, smart gadgets and items for every home, etc. Let's continue the video. Check out link description in bio. 1. Multifunction Household Noodle Maker, 260W electric pasta machine, used for making noodles, macaroni and dumplings. 2. Body massager machine for pain relief wireless massager 8 mode and 19 strength level EMS massager mini massager butterfly massager for shoulder legs massage neck massager mini back massager. 3. Dressing table with folding mirror and padded stool dressing table set with 4 drawers dressing table jewelry storage makeup organizer for girls color, white, size. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for getting new upcoming video. 4. Household storage box plastic material storage box collapsible housing bottom come with roller 5 open doors reinforced column. 5 2-in-1 foldable mosquito killer swatter automatic mosquito attracting electric recharge mosquito killing lamp mosquito repellent. 6. Intelligent desktop water bottle dispenser electric water pump gravity induction charging gallon pump touch sensor auto switch. 7. 2-in-1 dumpling maker, 2-step finish manual dough dumpling maker mold, portable dumpling maker machine, dumpling skin presser, perfect flour dumpling maker. 8-6/12-in-1 multifunction vegetable cutter chopper carrots potatoes manually cut shred slicer radish grater kitchen tools. 9 folding bathtub, 128x62 by 52 cm large portable foldable bathtub for children toddlers efficient maintenance of temperature bathtub spa bathtub. 10. 𝐏𝐫𝐶MI lipstick holder organizer with lid, press type automatic lift lipstick storage box holds 12 lipsticks, fit most lipsticks transparent lip gloss pink. 11. Electric juicer rechargeable, citrus juicer machines with USB and cleaning brush portable juicer for orange, lemon, grapefruit. 12 ice crusher mini USB charging cooking appliance ice breaker shave home bar kitchen grinder snow cone smoothie maker auto crusher. 13. Best Aid 𝐶-355 Best Aid Bowl Emperor large diameter juicer household slag juice separation. 14. Electric kettle double wall stainless steel teapot cool touch 1500W fast boiling heater cordless teapot auto shut off boil dry protection BPA free, green. 15. HP RTGT1 thermal transfer inkless printer for home use, Wi-Fi connection supports 11 inches x 8.5 inches US letter 300 DPI high resolution printer GT1 white. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for getting new upcoming video. 16-3 modes aerator faucet water saving filter high pressure spray nozzle 360 degrees rotate flexible aerator diffuser kitchen accessories. 17. Protable electric coffee grinder for grinding dry herbs, coffee, stainless steel herbs spices nuts grain coffee grinder for home. 18. Sofa cushions for all seasons. Non-slip sofa seat cushion cover cushion sofa towel cover cloth color. White Starlight 10. Size. 90*120 centimeters. 19. RAYMIN for 360 full body front back clear case for iPhone 13, 14, 11, 12 Pro Max XSXXR 7 8 Plus SE silicone bumper shockproof cover, black, for iPhone 8. 20. WALLLL storage cabinet front opening flip toys, clothes storage box home, kitchen, bathroom crisscross cabinet color, gray, size, 5 layers. 21. Phone ring holder finger kickstand, cute rabbit-shaped metal phone holder adjustable bunny phone grip dual direction rotating cell phone stand. 22. Electric hot pot cooker steamer, multifunctional non-stick pan 1.8L, suitable for ramen, steak, egg, rice, oatmeal, soup smart button. 23. Baby 360 rotation of the Euro bowl no spilling no fall bowl baby learning training tableware. 24. Ovist electric steam sprayer 260 ml portable steam blue light atomizer, compatible with drinks bottles, household sprayer for household, office, school and garden. 25. Shoe cleaning brush multifunctional long-handled shoe brush can be hung design clean and care for multiple types of shoe soap brush holder set blue, 1 size. 26 - 4-in-1 handheld electric vegetable cutter set multifunction cordless electric food small slicer mini food slicer and chopper for garlic pepper chili onion celery ginger meat. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for getting new upcoming video. 27 - 90 degrees rotatable makeup organizer big cosmetic storage box desktop portable storage drawer makeup container jewelry lipstick box. 28. Mini washing machine, portable washing machine, portable small ultrasonic washer, durable and reliable, mini washer for business home office RV hotel college travel. 29 - 4-in-1 beer bottle opener, multifunctional bottle opener, soda can opener tool, bottle openers for seniors, multi-kitchen tool for jelly jars, wine, beer and other pink. 30. Kitchen storage shelf with magnetic dustproof doors, microwave oven organizer, 5-layer kitchen utensils storage rack, steel organizer shelf for bathroom, balcony. 31. Waterproof phone pouch, inflatable airbag sealed diving swimming transparent mobile phone waterproof bag phone storage bag color, no 4. 32. Princess Cosmetic Bag Kids Makeup Tool Set Party Cosplay Cosmetic Kits for Children Pretend Play Toys for Princess Girl. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for getting new upcoming video. Check out link description in bio. 33. Bathroom towel rack rotatable towel holder space aluminum 3/4 bar towel hanger kitchen shelf paper hanging wall mounted. 34. Construction supplies 4-step tools ladders, blue, orange, red metal ladder warehouse multi-function step ladders. 35. Electric cleaning brush with hand scrubber kit, electric spin scrubber, rechargeable cleaning tools, wireless, for kitchen, bathroom, shower door, bathtub, white. 36. Silicone toilet brush and holder set, household punch-free wall-hanging long-handle silicone toilet brush with liquid tongue-type hydraulic no dead angle cleaning set with base, A, green. 37-3.2 mm tape kitchen sink edge self-adhesive adjustment tape, 6 mounting tape. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe. Daily Life Gadgets. Press the bell icon for getting new upcoming video. I hope you all will love this channel and the content. We created this channel to give an overall gadgets idea about smart appliances, gadgets, latest inventions and versatile utensils that are been added each day to the merchandise.